This video tutorial I will explain toLocalTime method of java.sql.Time class. Here I have defined a class time demo. Here I have created time object. Then I am calling toLocalTime method of time object. This method create local time object from this time object and returns. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.